Welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from Alicewalker.London. How you guys doing? I've been stuck indoors since UK lockdown on Friday gone. The only time I was able to go out was the Saturday to go out to get some groceries. I'm trying to keep me safe and the whole family safe. I'm not going out there to catch anything. Anyway guys, so let's get on with it. This product here, I have seen a lot of reviews from other YouTubers and there was actually a mixed review. You know, some really loved them and some did not. I was one of those people who was not very impressed with these. The foundation for me was too thick. My skin is just really strange, you know. I'm prone to spots. I get spots and rashes very easily. I tend to gravitate towards light and runny foundations, and this foundation for me was a little bit too thick. I also got the wrong color, but that was my fault since I ordered it online. The only thing that I was impressed was the concealer, and the powder was leaving patches on my face. Maybe I'm the one doing something wrong. Maybe I didn't apply it properly. I'm gonna try it out again and to see, maybe I might change my mind and I might love them. I love Juvia's Place. Let me put it out there. I'm going to be trying it on. I've done my eyebrow already because this is going to be a quick video. No eyeshadow. I've actually primed my face as well, so we're going straight in with the foundation. Iron Magic Zaria 320, which was a little bit too red for me. Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna put it on my skin directly with my finger. Flick you back, flick you back. Got full coverage foundations. Woo! I put too much. Can you see how I am looking like a tomato, and it's gone on my earring as well? It's not good. So I'm going to blend it in all the way to my neck, since a little bit down, so it's a different shade to me and to my neck. Okay. Just get the hair out of the way and blend it, because I'm trying to not let it go in my hair. It's all blended now. I'm gonna go in with a concealer. There it is. I did not get any contour thing, so I'll be using my usual contour stick that I always use. The concealer I actually bought again was a different color. It was just way too bright, and again it was my fault because I ordered it online and it was number 14. There it is. That's how the concealer looks like.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it starts. Sun's about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can.
We're gonna come to the powder, and I'm actually quite dreading it. I remember the last time I tried it before and I put it directly on there and it left a lot of patches because my skin is quite oily. So what I would do is, before I go in there and pile it on my face, I'm going to pat some on the concealed areas.
Can't think of waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right.
I'm not actually doing any eyeshadow, but I'm going to use this to conceal my eye.
Giving you my hand.
I've done the finishing touches. I did not do any eyeshadow today, but I've applied my lashes and I've finished the rest of my makeup with my lipstick and everything. So now I'm back. I'm going to tell you whether I've changed my mind on any of these products. I have changed my mind on 2 of the products. The foundation is flawless and it covers everything on your face when you put it on. If you have black marks, if you have blemishes, it does actually cover it. I still stand on the fact that it's way too thick and it's way too clayey for me, but I have changed my mind on the fact that it makes your skin appear very flawless, as you can tell. The only thing is I still don't like how thick this foundation is, but apart from that, I love everything about the foundation and how flawless it actually makes my skin appear and looks. So yeah, this one I have. And the other thing that I loved from the beginning, the concealer, I loved it from the last review that I did, and I still stand on the fact that it's quite good. I love the consistency. It is not thick. I like how light it is, and I like how easily it goes on your skin, and I love how easily it blends. It blends very, very easily. The only thing is the shade that I got wasn't the right shade for me. I do know that, and that was my fault, like I said. The last time I said I wouldn't use the concealer with the foundation. I mean, today was a little bit better on top of the foundation. Right, the powder, I still do not like it. After I applied my foundation and I applied my concealer and I put a powder on, I still left a bit of blotches on my face. This powder is not for baking. If you like me and you like baking, then this powder is definitely not for you, because when you leave it on for a long time and you try to swipe it off, it tends to swipe off the foundation and it move or shift the foundation and the concealer that you've already got on your face, and it left patches on your face, which I have got at the moment. So I'm going to zoom in for you guys to see. And if you can see there as well, can you see? It's shifted quite a bit as well on my eye socket. And also my nose is shifted a little bit, but I put some highlighter on there, so it's concealed it a bit. This bit as well is shifted it a bit as well because of the powder. So the powder is definitely a no-no, and I still don't like the powder, and I still will not use it. I'm actually going to get rid of it because it's no good for me. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. Take care. Love you guys.